present day where the potential of bionic eyes is being harnessed like never before. The latest advancements in bionic eye technology are nothing short of revolutionary. Scientists and engineers worldwide are developing high-resolution devices that can potentially restore vision to the blind. One such marvel is a bionic eye that uses a camera attached to a pair of glasses, which sends signals to an implant in the retina. This technology is already transforming lives, allowing individuals to discern shapes and movements that were once lost to them. Yet, the journey is far from over. Current research aims to improve the resolution of these devices, overcome limitations, and make them more accessible. Challenges remain, including the cost, surgical risks, and the complexity of replicating the intricacy of human vision, but the potential is immense. Imagine a world where vision loss is no longer a life sentence. The future of vision is here, and it's brighter than we could have ever imagined. So, what does this mean for the world, and more importantly, for those who can benefit from this technology? Let's take a step back and consider the bigger picture. We've journeyed from the past through the present and into the future of vision technology. We've seen how bionic eyes, once a dream of science fiction, are now a reality, offering hope to millions with visual impairments. This technology isn't just about restoring sight, it's about redefining the way we perceive the world, opening up new possibilities for interaction, communication, and understanding. But, as with all emerging technologies, there are considerations to be made. Ethical questions arise around access and affordability. Societal implications include the potential for discrimination or misuse. Health concerns focus on long-term effects and unforeseen complications. Yet these challenges serve as stepping stones towards progress. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're not just changing how people see the world, we're changing the world itself.